Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Sling TV on Samsung TV instant guide step by step clearly. To activate Sling TV on your Samsung TV, begin by turning on your Samsung TV. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Using your remote, navigate to the Smart Hub. Find and select the Apps section. In the search bar, type Sling TV. Select the Sling TV app from the search results. Click on Install to download the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Sling TV app. You will see the login screen. If you already have a Sling TV account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, select Sign Up to create a new one. After logging in, you will receive an activation code. Take note of this code. Now, navigate to a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the Sling TV activation website. Enter the activation code in the provided space. Click on Continue to proceed. Once your code is accepted, you will be notified on the screen. Return to your Samsung TV. The app will refresh and activate your account. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup. You are now ready to start watching Sling TV on your Samsung TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.